What is God restoring in you? Is it your health, your wealth, your joy, your passion, your purpose, your calling, your faith, your hope, your heart, your identity? Are there parts of you that seem buried? You know you were created for more. You clutch onto anything that seems to offer life. Maybe it's a job. Maybe it's knowledge. Maybe it's family, friends, or a loved one. However, the more you hold on to these things, the more you feel like you're losing yourself. You're determined you need these things in order to survive, but what if the way to thrive is to let go of these things? 2022 has been a year of letting go for me. In January, I resigned from a job that provided a stable career for 19 years. Work became a part of my identity. It became my life. I thought I had to work hard to earn my worth, but it became my wall instead. It cost me my health, my relationships. Now I'm being asked to let go of something else that has made up a large part of my identity, and that is my twin sister. Giving up my job was easy, but giving up my only secure attachment besides Jesus is going to be hard. I've never lived apart from her. However, I know if I want to grow, I have to let her go. I believe God is restoring me to my true identity. I will share a part of what He laid on my heart. I am making you new. Put your hope in me. I will make it plain to see. Don't doubt. You've just begun to sprout. Let me water your soul. I will make your heart whole. Spring is around the corner. I love this season. What once seemed dead begins to come alive again. It offers a glimmer of hope that restoration is on the way. What is God restoring in you? What do you need to let go of so you can embrace the new?